Hello viewers, welcome back to Apple Info YouTube channel. Many users have reported that their iPhone running slower than usual, especially on the lock screen. In this tutorial, we are describing how to fix iPhone slow or lagging after updated to the latest iOS 26. Fix 1. Restart your iPhone. The first way when deal with sluggish performance is a simple restart. Restarting can often resolve temporary slowdowns without any further troubleshooting. Hold down the power button and on off the volume buttons at the same time until the power off slider is shown. Slide to the power off slider to power off your iPhone. Hold down the power button until an Apple logo is shown on your phone screen. Fix 2. Check storage space. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Navigate to General. Navigate to iPhone Storage. If your storage is full, try to deleting unused apps, old photos or offloading apps. Fix 3. Disable background app refresh. Open your Settings app. Then select General. Select background app refresh. Again select background app refresh. If it's turned on, select off. Fix 4. Update your app. Go to your App Store app. Tap on your profile icon. Then tap on Update All to update all apps. Fix 5. Reset all settings. For this, launch Settings app. Next, tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Tap Reset all settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up menu, tap Reset all settings. Again, tap Reset all settings to confirm this process. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.